Welcome to this video on creating a personalized workout plan. Achieving your fitness goals can be a daunting task, but having a plan in place is essential for success. In this video, we'll take a comprehensive look at how to create a personalized workout plan that works for you. We'll cover everything from goal setting, to choosing the right exercises, to tracking progress, and more. We'll also be discussing some common mistakes people make and how to avoid them. By the end of this video, you'll have the tools and knowledge to create a personalized workout plan that will help you achieve your goals. So let's get started. Step 1. Setting your goals. Before you begin creating your workout plan, it's important to have a clear idea of what you want to achieve. Setting specific, measurable goals will help you stay focused and motivated. When setting goals, it's important to make them smart, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. For example, instead of saying I want to lose weight, you can say I want to lose 10 pounds in 3 months. Having specific and measurable goals will help you create a plan that's tailored to your needs. Step 2. Assessing your current fitness level. Once you've set your goals, it's important to assess your current fitness level. This will help you determine what types of exercises are appropriate for you and how much intensity you should be working at. You can do this by measuring your body fat percentage, taking a fitness test, or consulting with a trainer. Assessing your fitness level will also help you set realistic and achievable goals. For example, if you're a beginner, you may want to start with lower intensity exercises and shorter workout sessions. Step 3. Choosing the right exercises. With your goals and fitness level in mind, it's time to choose the right exercises for your workout plan. It's important to include a mix of cardio, strength training, and flexibility exercises. Cardio exercises such as running, cycling, or swimming will help improve your cardiovascular fitness and burn calories. Strength training exercises such as weightlifting or bodyweight exercises will help build muscle and improve overall strength. Flexibility exercises such as yoga or stretching will help improve your range of motion and prevent injury. By including a mix of exercises in your workout plan, you'll be able to work on different aspects of your fitness and prevent boredom. Step 4. Planning your workouts. Once you've chosen the right exercises, it's time to plan your workouts. It's important to schedule your workouts in advance and stick to a consistent schedule. This will help you stay motivated and on track. You should also aim to vary your workouts to keep things interesting and prevent boredom. For example, you can alternate between cardio and strength training exercises on different days. Additionally, you can also consider working out with a partner or joining a fitness class to keep things interesting. Step 5. Tracking your progress. Tracking your progress is an essential part of any workout plan. By keeping track of your workouts, you'll be able to see how far you've come and make any necessary adjustments to your plan. You can track your progress by keeping a workout diary, taking measurements, or using a fitness app. Tracking your progress will also help you stay motivated and see the progress you've made. Step 6. Adjusting your plan. As you progress in your fitness journey, you'll likely need to adjust your workout plan to continue seeing results. This may involve increasing the intensity of your workouts, changing up your exercises, or adjusting your goals. It's important to remember that your body adapts to the exercises you do, so it's important to change things up to continue challenging your body and see progress. Additionally, as you improve your fitness level, you may need to increase the difficulty of your exercises or adjust your goals to match your new level of fitness. It's also important to listen to your body and adjust your plan as needed if you're feeling fatigued or experiencing an injury. Common mistakes. Mistake number 1. Not setting specific goals. As mentioned earlier, setting specific and measurable goals is essential for creating a personalized workout plan. Without specific goals, it's easy to lose focus and motivation. Mistake number 2. Overtraining. Overtraining can lead to fatigue, injury, and burnout. It's important to listen to your body and give it the rest it needs. Make sure to include rest days in your workout plan and adjust as needed. Mistake number 3. Not tracking progress. Without tracking progress, it's hard to see how far you've come and make necessary adjustments to your plan. Mistake number 4. Not being consistent. Consistency is key when it comes to achieving fitness goals. It's important to stick to your workout plan and make it a part of your daily routine. Creating a personalized workout plan is an essential step in reaching your fitness goals. By setting specific goals, assessing your fitness level, choosing the right exercises, planning your workouts, tracking your progress, and adjusting as necessary, you'll be able to create a plan that works for you. Remember to stay consistent, motivated, and listen to your body, and you'll be well on your way to achieving your fitness goals. Avoid the common mistakes, seek professional help if needed, and most importantly, don't give up. Thanks for watching.